Hi there, this is Corinne. Welcome to the Karina channel. And today we're going to be talking about facial acupuncture and why it's an amazing alternative to Botox or fillers. And so if you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and hit those notification buttons so you can get notified when I have new videos. Okay, so this video is for somebody, you, that wants to have really beautiful, glowy, dewy skin, wants to age naturally, but does not want to use any kind of fillers, Botox, and wants to avoid surgery. There's nothing wrong with Botox, fillers, or surgery, and I could talk about how we can use natural methods to support those if you want to go down that road. But for those that don't, this video is for you. Okay. So I am an acupuncturist. I've been an acupuncturist for the last 12 years, and I specialize in women's health and facial rejuvenation. And today I'm going to talk about why facial acupuncture is so key to helping you age well. So first of all, when you do get acupuncture in general, it treats your whole body. So we're going to be treating your circulatory, your endocrine system, your nervous system, your respiratory system. All the systems in your bodies will get regulated with acupuncture, specifically if you're going there for a particular reason, right? And so with facial acupuncture, we are putting points in the face that help to bring more blood and more nutrients to the face, which gives you that glowy, dewy look, but also helps your body to produce more collagen, elastin, and also helps to lift the muscles of the face. Because as we get older, gravity brings our muscles downwards, which is why you get the droopiness of the cheeks, the jawline, and the neck. So acupuncture can lift all of that. And of course, it does not happen overnight. It takes a few consecutive treatments, but in general, it's a natural way to lift the face and really counteract the gravity and the aging process. As we get older, we lose estrogen in our skin, which creates the fine lines and wrinkles. With acupuncture, you can help slow down that process, but also help support your endocrine system. And of course, you can also look into taking supplements and going to get bioidentical hormones. There's creams, there's all sorts of things that you can do if you want to move in that direction in conjunction with facial acupuncture. But in terms of what I do in terms of facial acupuncture, it's very specific around bringing more blood, elasticity to the face, and really helping you age naturally. And with that, you are also getting body acupuncture, so it's a 2-for-1 deal. And what I love the most about facial acupuncture, it really relaxes the face, which helps you get more into your heart, more into your body, because you're not so tense. Tension creates tightness of the muscles and prevents less blood circulation to happen. And so with my particular treatments, I do the facial points, then you get the body points, and then you get an LED light, which goes over the face. And red light therapy also helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And then I remove the needles, and you get some gua sha, which is moving the lymphatic system, and some cupping and some facial massage. So it's a very inclusive, very beautiful, relaxing treatment. And if you want to experience that, you can come find me. I'm in Lafayette, California, which is in the East Bay of San Francisco Bay Area. So that's kind of like generalization of what facial acupuncture does for the face. And if you are somebody that has Botox and you want to get facial acupuncture, know that facial acupuncture does detox the Botox out of you. So you don't want to do Botox and facial acupuncture at the same time because they're doing two opposite things. Botox freezes the muscles so there's no movement. Acupuncture gets more blood circulation and movement going to help heal. So it's two different things. So if you have Botox and you have Botox in your forehead, you can get facial acupuncture at the lower part of your face and your neck, and that's fine. You just don't want to do acupuncture where the Botox has been. The same with fillers. If you have fillers in your mouth or in your cheeks, you don't want to get acupuncture around those areas because it will detox it and make it run through your system faster, because fillers and Botox are something you have to do every few months to maintain it. because you put it in and then your body starts to metabolize it, and acupuncture speeds up that metabolism process. So if you want to maintain that, you can do other points, but you don't want to put acupuncture in those areas. The difference is if you're going to do surgery, I would say acupuncture is wonderful post-surgery. So we're talking about 6 weeks after you get surgery. Acupuncture is really amazing because it could help reduce the scar tissue, it could help with the swelling, and it could help you heal faster. I've had clients that have had surgery on their face, and we've definitely helped them reduce the scar, and that's really important. And also if they have had a nose job or things like that, it's hard to breathe in the beginning because there's a lot of inflammation. So acupuncture really helps with the healing process, overall helping you look better and feel better at a quicker rate. Without the acupuncture, it would have taken a bit longer. So if you've had surgery, facial acupuncture is amazing. I definitely would add that to your health regime if that's what you choose to do. So you can do facial acupuncture with other cosmetic procedures, and you can also do facial acupuncture by itself. And you're probably wondering, how long does it take and how long does it last? So you want to do consecutive acupuncture sessions. That means once a week for an amount of time. I usually recommend 3 months, every week for 3 months, and after that you can do once a month, every other week for upkeep. And the reason why is that acupuncture really works well consecutively. It accumulates in the body, and we're actually creating new pathways, new blood circulation, micro systems that get revitalized, and you want to maintain that for a consecutive amount of time. And after you do that, the results should last up to a year or more, especially if you do tune-ups. And I also do microneedling, which is a more targeted way of dealing with facial rejuvenation. So that's also building up collagen and elasticity of the skin. And those results can last a few years, even up to 5. So these are both natural ways of dealing with fine lines and wrinkles. And I will do another video talking more about microneedling. But today's video is really about facial acupuncture and why it's amazing. And I love facial acupuncture because it not only helps with the skin, but it also helps with the emotional aspects. We hold so much emotions in our face, and acupuncture helps to soften those lines and also helps to balance your overall system of your body, particularly around your hormones, especially if you're a woman over 40. Acupuncture is a no-brainer. Definitely want to include it in your healthcare regime. So if you have any more questions on facial acupuncture, please feel free to DM me, put a comment in the comments below, and I'd love to answer them. And if you want a natural way of removing your frown lines, please download my free ebook. And that should give you some tips that you can do at home, ways that you can naturally heal your frown lines so you can avoid Botox if you want. All right, send you lots of love. Bye.